Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark 5 test on the iQOO Neo 6 device using with the monster mode on the day 1 after quick unboxing. Yes, when just couple of hours back I did do the unboxing of the iQOO Neo 6 device at this moment. Let's use the monster mode and let's do the testing of the Geekbench Mark 5 and let's find out what's happening with overall benchmark scores. So let me enable the monster mode right now. And let's open the GeekBench Mark. Right now the application is opening, and without any monster mode this is the result. As you can see, let's do the test right now and let's see with the monster mode can this improve any kind of results or not. That's what I thought of finding out in this video, and this is my day 1 of using this iQOO Neo 6 device friends with the Snapdragon 870, and I'm really excited to see how much high scores we can expect. Definitely Snapdragon 870 we do know it will be around similar kind of score only, nothing much major we can expect actually, but let's find out what's happening here, and I'll be back after some time. As you can see friends, even with the monster mode also the phone did score similar kind of results, 988, 3162. Let me try to show you the history. As you can clearly see here, nothing much difference. So first one is the with monster mode and without monster mode. You can see the difference, nothing much is happening. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick review and demonstration on the iQOO Neo 6 device regarding the Geek Benchmark scores. So we can expect around 900, 980, 950, single core and the multi-core 3100 above. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next video for more updates, and bye.